What can you do when you want to find and replace a word or multiple words in a large Word document? Arlene here. Welcome to Burn to Learn. Let's find out what function we can use to not only find but replace a word or many words in your Microsoft Word document. Locate the Replace button. In the Find What box, we're going to type the word we want to look for throughout the document. Let's search for the word to. It finds the first to word of the document. By clicking the Find Next button, it goes through the text where the next to word is located, even if it's in the middle of a word. For instance, as you can see, the word doctor is highlighted also, because the letters T and O are in between. But what if we don't want that and we only want to look for whole words? Well, you do that by clicking on the More button and check the Find Whole Words Only box. This area gives us more options to choose from, such as match prefix, match suffix, and a few more. Let's just look for whole words only. We click the Less button, and when we click on Find Next again, only whole words matching our search will be found. Want to know more? Please subscribe to our channel and give a like to this video. We want to replace specific words now. Let's say we want to adjust the name of the author of this article. We will look for the word Arturo and type it in the Find What box. We want to see where it is in the text with Find Next. There it is. And in the Replace With box, we'll type the word to be replaced with. We want Arthur. We click on Replace, and now our word has been changed. But notice the word Arturo appears more than once in the text. So that we don't have to repeat this process manually again, that's when the Replace All feature becomes so handy. When we click it, this function will replace all the places where our word appears. Word even tells you how many replacements were made in the document. Time saving, right? Now you know how to fully use the practical find and replace functions in Microsoft Word. Why don't we do the same with the word Alejandro and replace it with Alexander? Click Replace All, and there you go. The work has been made for us.